Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App website keeps popping up on your Android device in 2026. So when the Cash App website appears again on your device, do not close it immediately. Instead, open the recent applications on your Android and look at which opened right before the browser pop-up appear. Now, a lot of time the issue usually comes from the free cleaner application or ad heavy games rather than Cash App itself. Now you can also open your Chrome and then you just have to simply go to its settings. Now when you are inside the settings, look for the option of the site settings and then look for the option of pop-up redirects. Now you just have to simply disable the pop-ups and redirect permissions and suspicious modification access. Inside your Chrome, you can just simply go to the history section, and in the history you can just simply clear the browsing data. After that, you can just simply clear the cache, the cookies and the site data, and this is going to remove many of the hidden redirect triggers. So you can try this, and next time you won't be able to see any of the pop-ups. Thank you.